Now, just like what Matt was saying, the whole purpose and how to be efficient while inspecting is to be systematic, right? Have a consistent system that you're doing every single time when you're inspecting a house. So just like Matt, I like to do it by the different sides. So right over here, while we're on this side, we would take our front photo, which we already did over there. We're going to notice any type of deficiencies that we see right here. So over here, we're going to see the damaged siding. You're going to see how close the bushes are to the siding and the house. You'll see the exterior faucets leaking a little bit. So that would be a deficiency. So we're going to go ahead and add those into the report software. Another thing is to notice as well, since it is fall time, you're going to notice all the leaves in the gutters right now too. So we'll get close-ups of that, and we'll also show you guys some of that as well. The main thing, as you're writing your report, you want to make sure that you are writing down your deficiencies as you see them and taking your photos with those deficiencies. Like Matt was saying, you don't want to take all your photos and not remember things. So right now I will go into the siding. I'm going to go ahead and take a photo and show that the siding is damaged and have that linked with that, so that when we do our end of the report, I already know my deficiencies are there as I'm seeing them.
So just taking a quick look as you go, you're mentally taking notes, putting it in the system. Vinyl insulation, like she said, there's some damage. Got a leak going on here. Now me personally, you have an outlet here. I don't like unplugging anybody's outlets. So I'm looking here, there is a GFCI and there's an open outlet. So I'd plug this in and I tested it out. Leave everything as